The Carrington Relief Road is a new road proposed to support the future of Carrington and Partington. It is designed to make travel easier and safer, reduce congestion and improve everyday journeys. The scheme will improve the quality of life for local residents while supporting new homes, jobs and sustainable growth without placing additional pressure on existing roads. The 2.7 mile route will allow through traffic to bypass the village, linking the A6144 Manchester Road in the west with Banky Lane and the A6144 Carrington Spur in the east. The A6144 itself currently carries high levels of traffic, including large vehicles, even though it was not designed for this. This often causes congestion, unreliable journey times and disruption through Carrington Village. Manchester Road is the first of 5 junctions along the route proposed for improvement. It would be upgraded with new traffic signals, safer crossings using Cyclops technology, which in turn makes it easier and safer for pedestrians and cyclists, whilst also keeping traffic moving. Safe, segregated cycle lanes will be provided along the full length of the entire route in both directions. These will be physically separated from traffic and pedestrians, making cycling safer and more comfortable for people of all ages and abilities. The second of 5 junctions is a new signal-controlled Cyclops junction that will provide access to the Linden Basell site. It has been designed to safely handle regular HGV movements while keeping traffic moving on the main road. Green infrastructure within the Carrington estate is limited, so protecting and enhancing it is a key priority. Improvements to the A1 route, including new walking and cycling facilities, provide an opportunity to strengthen connections between existing green spaces. Landscaping through native hedgerows will be introduced to soften the boundaries and support wildlife. In more constrained areas, meadow grass verges and managed wildflower strips will provide alternative habitats. Larger trees will add structure and screening, with smaller trees adding visual interest. The third of 5 junctions is a new signal-controlled T-junction that maintains Cyclops and active travel facilities, with walking and cycling routes linking to future development and the wider local strategy. As the A1 route approaches Isherwood Road, landscaped earth bunds on both sides of the road will provide visual screening and help reduce noise for nearby residents, with native planting supporting integration into the surrounding landscape. At the Isherwood Road junction, a new signalised Cyclops crossroads will replace the existing Priority T junction. This junction improves capacity and connects the route north towards Flixton and south towards Trafford Training Centre, with upgraded active travel provision along Isherwood Road. Native hedgerows will line both sides of the proposed network, and trees will be grouped informally, contrasting with the structured avenue planting seen elsewhere to promote habitat creation and support flight corridors for bats and birds. Beyond these hedgerows, extensive areas of wildflower-rich grassland will diversify habitats, provide mitigation for skylarks and deliver a marked improvement compared to former arable land. The route from here crosses open fields characterised as lowland agricultural land. The design incorporates sustainable drainage features through large attenuation basins that will manage surface water, whilst also providing valuable wildlife habitats and community spaces. Carefully selected planting around these basin edges and open water will support biodiversity and also add seasonal interest. Pegasus crossings will be provided to maintain public rights of way, allowing pedestrians and horse riders to cross the route safely and connect with the wider network of local paths. These offer wider crossing spaces and waiting pens to enhance safety. As we approach the new Carrington Lane junction, a signalised Cyclops arrangement will connect the Relief Road to the existing network, providing full walking and cycling facilities and connectivity. The junction is designed to accommodate abnormal loads and encourage heavy goods vehicles to use the new route. Tree planting will create focal points, reinforce local identity and support wildlife movements, complementing the wider landscape strategy. From here, the road remains a dual carriageway as far as the upgraded Banky Lane junction, where additional lanes and a revised layout will improve capacity and provide access to the M60 at junction 8. The Carrington Relief Road has been designed with the landscape at its heart, with highways, landscape and ecology specialists working together to enhance wildlife, exceed biodiversity net gain requirements and create an attractive environment. Overall, as first stated, the scheme will be an enabler for development, new homes and jobs without placing additional pressure on existing roads.